Hello, my name is Andrea Leon Mack. I work at Washington State Ferries. I have worked here for 4 years, primarily as a toll fare collector, and have also worked as a traffic attendant. This is a marine highway, so think of yourselves as working out on a highway. Imagine you're actually in the middle of the lanes of traffic. So that's what our traffic attendants do. They're directing traffic, maybe stopping traffic, helping to jump a dead battery in a car. So we're having to kind of intertwine ourselves with that, and it can be scary at first when you see vehicles coming right at you, but keeping safety paramount, our eyes alert, our ears alert on what's going on can really ensure that we have a safe environment. On my off time, and so that's why it's really important that I make it home safely, is because I love to travel. I love to spend time with my family, and family is very important. So if I don't feel safe at work and not arrive home safely, then I don't get to spend that precious time with them.